Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Maintenance. Jones suggested pouring very hot water down the kitchen sink drain at least once a week. This can help prevent clog causing buildup on the interior surface of pipes. Or, pour 1 cup of vinegar down the drain and let it sit for 30 minutes.
Take our lead.
Most chemical-based cleaners generate heat inside the pipe. PVC may not withstand the heat and it will melt, or harm the integrity of the pipe joints. If you want to try a home-based chemical remedy, try vinegar and baking soda. They pose no danger whatsoever to your pipes.
Take our lead.
Bleach can break down clogs and help unclog your toilet. It's not as effective for drain cleaning as professional drain cleaner, but it may work for smaller clogs in a pinch. To try this for yourself, pour about 2 to 3 cups of bleach into the toilet bowl, and allow it to sink into the drain pipe.
Take our lead.
Combine equal parts dish soap and warm water in a spray bottle. Spray the drain flies with this solution when you see them. The soap acts as an insecticide and kills the drain flies, but won't put your family in harm's way. Pour about 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar into a glass and cover it with plastic wrap.
Let's help you make your mark.
There are a few ways to do this. Pour a 1/2 cup of salt, 1/2 cup of baking soda and 1 cup of vinegar and allow it to work its magic overnight. Pour a 1/2 gallon of water and 1 cup of vinegar or bleach down the drain to sanitize. Pour boiling water down the drain to loosen rotting matter.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.